Ri Bhoi College kum kawei na ka shlem ai jingnang jingstad yaki khun Samla hathem Ri Bhoi mynta ka sngi khandai Tarik Nailur kala Rakhe ya ka Jingiaid Lynti basau pho Snem jong ka ni ka shlem naduh bala seng ka ho Snem khat pras pa pra pho sau bat kumjuh ru la kynmaw burom bat le burom ya ulet R.I Masharing ubade principal ban nyngkong jong ka ni ka shlem hakani kasngi lawan ban shim bynta do Bah Mayral bon Syiem MLA ka Nongpoh kumu Kongsan bat rasa kilang ru da ka jingdon lang principal E.C Benny ibahiyeng hasem jong ulet R.I Masharing Bah R.R Makdoh kinong hikai ki Samla pule bat ru ki dekhot nong yalam ka Ri Bhoi College Students Union Lapan pu pen peng ru hakani kasngi de ki jingrai jingstad bat ki ki program bat la shim bynta de ki Samla pule bat hakajuk papor la ai burom ru yakitu kinong seng kamtang ya ulet R.I Masharing badai lengba ke jinglan nade bat ke jingjai ne bakani ke college kalapau ha ke district bat ke Jylla ban kentiu ya ke jingnang jingstad
On the 40th foundation day of Ri Bhoi College, how many of us will remember the contribution of late Shri R.I Masharing, Jylla, how many will remember the contribution of Dr. Bedil Pan? How many will remember the contribution of Bah R.R who's here? How many will remember the contribution of the family of Bah Masharing? How many will remember the contribution of teachers, faculty members, those who have been retired, who has been through thick and thin? Which is very important, the recognition. Kajik itu kadai kebenaran kam hantu kata-kata. Kajik hai burom. So that's why I'm here today to remember this foundation. The foundation that has been built. We are so thankful to all the founder members. Even though Balapang is not here, thank you so much to him, to Tarik side, and all the other members during that time. But Yallam, to his family member, today we are happy that his youngest daughter, she is here, that Fisha is here. Thank you so much. Boleh syukur nanti bagi kesan dari kita. Nanti nak senyap dari kita cakap contribution buku. Yo lesai kita syukur ki jingkong kintan deh. Malah kata. Kalau ni yang kesan, kalau ni yang kalau ni yang kalau ni para genre ni mesti kita ini suatu bagi contribution kepada ini kesan untuk kita ni problem terdekat mengenai semua and we are not wrong to say that whatever contribution that Shri R.I Masharing who hail from one of the village from Eastern Ri Bhoi, that is Kredem, who happened to be the principal of this college, and it stands like this today because of his contribution and the contribution of other personality who have been there through thick and thin in the journey of this beautiful institution that has been built in Nongpoh district. We wish all the best to all the present governing body, the present principal, the faculty member, all of you, and we hope that in days to come that we will see more and more students that we have here today. We hope that the legacy that has been built, you will carry forward. We're happy to listen to the song, one of the songs that is in Khasi, Kamai Naduh. Especially in the present day generation, where we, as a youth of this country, there is a huge expectation from each and every one of you. Dear student, this is an opportunity where we discuss about the foundation of the college. let us throw some light about the foundation of each and every one of you also. This is the place that you will build your foundation right from your school time. Now we are in college. In days to come, you will go to university, and we hope to see that you will carry on whatever good things that you have, memories that you have from this college. One day